Hi guys, welcome to the new video of this Linux tutorial series. This video will be a short video only. So in this video we will see how to test connectivity between the two systems. That is the most important role while we are setting up some labs environment between two machines or multiple machines. You can take up more than one machines. This is very important because while you are setting up some environment or while you are setting up some infrastructure on a cloud or anywhere, if you want to debug the issue related to connectivity, you have to like you can use this command to test the connectivity, and it will help you to to solve your issue. Like if connectivity is not happening, then this command will tell you that the connectivity is not there, or whatever things you can do with this command. Before that, I want to tell you few things. There are two types of IP in the world. One is IP4 and IP6. IPv4 and IPv6. What is the difference between both? Why two? That is not a part of this video, or that is not a part of this lecture. We will discuss in the detail in networking classes that very soon I am gonna conduct on this Linux tutorial only. So yep, what is the difference? Why two? And there are multiple type of IPs also in the world. Like what is anycast IP? What is broadcast IP? We will discuss everything there. But as of now, you can think of like there are two IP and there are types of IPv4 and IPv6. How you can identify IPv4 and IPv6 just for this video? If something written, some number is written here, dot, some number, then some number. So with this three dots, if four numbers are returned, then that is IPv4, and IPv6 is separated with colon number, then colon this. So you will come to know that this is IPv6. Now how to test connectivity? So the name of the command is ping command. Okay, ping command, what we have to do is what ping command is ping command send the ICMP protocol request, ICMP request to the target system. And if the connectivity is there between both the systems, let's say this is the one machine, this is another machine, from this machine we are running ping command. Ping command send ICMP request. Okay, and if this system have connectivity, so this target system will respond with some packets. Some packets like yes, I have connectivity. Target system will send some packets, and that packet tell us like yeah, this systems have connectivity between both. So target system will send like yes, I have connectivity with you. Okay, so how we can check this out is we have to write ping, and the syntax of ping is like we can write options, multiple options we can do, and the IPv4, not IPv6. I'm telling you IPv4. Now if I do ping, I'm not using any option as of now, but I have an IP with me. See, dot, three dots and four numbers. And this is the IP of public DNS server of Google. Now what is DNS server and how we can resolve DNS related issues also, that will be the part of next video just after this. But if I hit enter, see, it's saying ICMP sequence. So this is the first packet, second packet, fourth packet. Let me stop it. Seven packet, nine packets is sent, and how much time it took for this machine to go there to the target system and come back, and this is a TTL, time to leave. Okay, so this is a packet size 64 bytes. A size of packet is sent from this IP. See, from this IP the packet size of 64 bytes is coming to our system, and the packet number is 123 till 9. We have sent 9 packets of 64 bytes from, we have received 9 packets of 64 bytes from this IP. And what is the time to leave, what is the time took by this the system to get the packet from this 8.8.8 IP. And in the down you can see the summary. 9 packets are transmitted, all the 9 are received. That means we have sent 9 packets to the IP called 8.8.8, and we have received all the 9 packets, and there is 0% packet loss. Means whatever the packets we have sent to that IP, all the packets were received as it is. No packet will be dropped or lost in between in the network. Total time took in all the 9 packets is 807 milliseconds. And these are the multiple things. You don't need to focus on this. So this is not important for us. Only thing important for us is to know that ping command is used to test connectivity between the systems, and ping command is used to test connectivity with the called IPv4. Now let's say we don't have IPv4 on the machine. This is one machine from where we are running ping command, sending ICMP request to the target machine, and the target machine have some IPv4. How that machine have target machine have IPv4 or IPv6, that we'll discuss in the networking session, but you can assume it like that machine have IPv4 as of now. No IPv6 is there. Okay. So if you want to test connectivity with IPv4 on target machine, we have to use ping command, and that will send some request, and in the background it will send us a 64 bytes packet. One packet is of 64 bytes. It will send unlimited time packets till the time we will not stop, and when we done control C, till the time it shared 9 packets, how much time it took, everything. Now what is ICMP? ICMP is again like a protocol only, like we have HTTP. That's it. So that works. Ping command works on ICMP protocol. Like similar, if you know somebody SSH command works on SSH protocol. Now I don't want to send unlimited packets. I want to send some limited amount of packets. So if I can check help, you will see one option. See count. Okay, let's use this ping hyphen c. I want to send only 4 packets to the target machine. Okay, and see after 4 it will automatically stop. See, stop. I don't done anything, but it stop automatically. 4 packets sent from this IP. We receive the packet size is 64 bytes. Like this we can do, and every 1 second it's sending the packet. So another option we can use is hyphen I and 2. See, now it's sending packet in every 2 seconds, and in total 4 packets. So that's how we can use the ping command. The second command we can use is similar to ping only. Every option, every bit by bit option is same. That is ping6. But this command not work with IPv4. If the machine, the target machine have IPv4, we can't use ping6. We have to always use ping command. But if the target machine don't have IPv4, if have IPv6, then ping command will not work. We have to use ping6. So there is the only difference. If you want to test connectivity with the target machine that have IPv4, you have to use ping. If the target machine have IPv6, you have to use ping6. Let me try by showing you that I am giving IPv4 with ping6 command. See, address family for hostname not supported. That means for ping6, this type of address family, that means IPv4 family is not supported. So for ping6 only you can give ping IPv6. I don't have public IPv6 as of now, but yeah, if sometimes the requirement comes, you want to test connectivity with IPv6, you can use ping6 command. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or post your doubts on comment.